Hi, I'm Lashana Lintamo. I am an iron worker, a multi-certified welder. I wanted to share with you guys about the 5 tools that I cannot work without. You must have, obviously, your welding hood. You can't work without a welding hood. It was actually given to me by my first foreman. He gifted me this welding hood, it's Viking Steel in Sacramento. If you have an automatic darkening lens, you're in the game. It really doesn't matter if you have a $25 hood or a $600 hood. What matters is your weld acceptable or rejectable? Next tool I cannot live without is my sleever bar. This tool is used for everything. It's used for anything from chipping out your slag from your sharp points, or you could use this to stand on. If you're up hanging some iron, you could shove this in a bolt hole. This end here is used to line up your holes when you're stuffing bolts. This end here has more of a sharp, flat tip, and it's used to jam in between your steel so that you can either push over your iron or work it into the place or position that it needs to be. You have to have your grinder. A 6-inch, 4-inch grinder is usually typical on the job. This is what I would have in my scissor lift, in my boom lift, wrapped around my neck with, walking around for your finishing touches, or, grinding out some undercut or a weld that you just know is not going to be acceptable. You have to have a measuring tape so that your work is precise. An 1/8 in the welding industry, a 1/16 is a huge make or break. You have to be spot on, because once it's welded in, it's done. And you don't want to be that person on the job undoing your work. A level or a torpedo, some type of leveling device where you can make sure your work is plumb, it is flush, it is square, it is up to par. You can't be 10 stories up and have to travel 10 stories down to get to the ground to get your level. You're going to get 2 checks and you'll be going home. You better have this in your bag. I'm Lashana Lintamo. Thank you for watching this. I hope that you receive some valuable points on this video about these essential tools that I use on the job. And if you have any aspirations of being a female welder or iron worker, girl, let me encourage you, go and do it. It's so much fun. It's art. It's a social environment. When I'm driving downtown and I pass a hotel, a Marriott, an apartment building, my heart is so filled. My eyes get big, and it's just an overwhelming joy that comes across me when I'm like, wow, girl, you did that. So I'm encouraging you guys to go out and follow your dreams. Try welding.